The last time I went to Costco Tires to get a battery, I was waiting in line and someone was making an appointment. This was at 11 o'clock in Irvine. The attendant said it would take 5 hours. I mean, 5 hours. He said it takes 5 hours to replace the tires. So the next guy in line comes by and says he needs to repair his tires because it has a nail or something, and the attendant says it'll take 5 hours too. So I wonder if anybody who's gone to Costco Tires has waited longer than 5 hours. I'm thinking this might be a record.